you are not using this secret strategy to grow $2 into $8,000, then you are doing the wrong thing. Because here you can see I'm now around $8,000 just after 2 trades. And if you watch this video until the end, I'm going to give you this whole strategy for free. I don't care if brokers hit me after this, because this is a powerful strategy that anyone can use to make $10,000 every day. Before I share with you this actual strategy, let me enter some trades on my $2 account so that I can show you how powerful this actual strategy is. While I'm still entering these trades, make sure to like this video. And if you want to enter some trades like I'm doing right now, entering up to 20-30 trades on a small account, you must use Xness, which is a very good broker. As you can see, I'm over 20 trades right now and I'm in a good position which can be able to double my small account. And this gives me a chance to be able to turn $2 into $8,000 in the fastest way possible. So if you don't have an account already with Xness, then you are missing out, because with this broker you can be able to double your account each and every time, and with only 10 pips you can be able to make crazy profits, and I'm going to show you how right now. Okay guys, now let me show you the strategy that you can use if you want to grow a $2 account into $8,000. And to grow your account with this strategy, you only need 2 indicators: the moving average and the stochastic oscillator. So let's remove the MACD so that you can only be left with the indicators that you really need to actually make money. So first, before I show you how to use the indicators, the first thing that you need to do is to identify where the market is going. Is it going up or down? And to do this, you just find an area where the market was moving up and down and start to look if the market is forming lower highs and lower lows going down. This tells you that the market will be going down. So now what you start to do is to actually mark the highs, putting horizontal lines on those highs that you have right there. It will be much better if you have multiple highs at the same level, like right here. Now once you have these highs, you want to see where the market will go and start to tend to come back when it starts to go up. Also put a horizontal line at the low which was formed by these equal highs. So now when the market is going up, this way you have to pay close attention to what the market will be doing, and if you can be able to catch brokers with exactly what I'm about to show you right now, that is where you'll be able to turn $2 into $8,000, because this is a powerful strategy that anyone can use to grow small accounts quickly. So to actually show you that these equal highs are very powerful, you can actually see the market coming back also very close to these equal highs to actually confirm that this is also a very important level. But what you want to wait for is for the candlestick to go through these equal highs, just like what it did right here with a very big candle. So now when this big candle actually goes sharply, you want to go back and look at this actual high that you've marked above these equal highs, and this is where the brokers will be coming to actually take orders, because most traders will have stop losses at the top. And to actually show you that this is a broker manipulation level, you can actually look at the stochastic oscillator. So when the market is forming lower lows, you can also see the stochastic oscillator forming lower lows, which means now when the market is forming higher highs on the stochastic oscillator, you must also see it forming higher highs. But look what is happening exactly right here. You can actually see this is a high which is actually higher than this actual high, but if you look at the chart, you can actually see the opposite happening. Right from there, you actually know that this is a manipulation. So right from here, you start to enter sell trades, targeting for the market to actually go down. And if you're using Xness, you can be able to grow a $2 account into $5,000, $6,000 by placing as many trades as possible, because the market will start to go into direction non-stop. But for you to go from making $4,000 up to $8,000 or to double your profits, you now need to add more trades when the market is going into a direction. And that is where comes this actual low that you marked when the market was now going back up. So once you have a big candle crossing through this actual low and closing below it, when the market starts to come back up again, you must know this is an opportunity to add more trades and make more money when the market starts to continue going into a direction, just like what it did right here. And by taking full advantage of this actual opportunity, I was able to turn $2 into $8,000 quickly, and you can also be able to do the same thing or even more if you can take each and every opportunity, like Eddie Motors right here, which you now take 8,000 into 16,000. By doing this, now you'll be making crazy profits that brokers will be shocked seeing you changing your life by just knowing where exactly to enter and also where exactly to add more profits. So the stochastic oscillator, as long as the green line is below the red line and the green line is pointing down, you can continue to hold your trade, adding more trades when the market forms retracement to these previous lows that you have right here. But one thing that you have to pay close attention on the stochastic oscillator, when you start to see it pointing sideways, that means when the market gets to the next low, exit your trades immediately and collect your profits. So now, if you want to know exactly where to enter the trades and also exactly where to exit the trades, comment below stochastic so that I can give you the stochastic oscillator settings, which will now tell you exactly where to exit and also exactly where to enter trades. And now, by using this auto strategy exactly as I've shown you today, you can now have a better chance to now turn a small account like $2 into $8,000 quickly. And here are all the trades that I closed in good profits. Now you can also go and make profits using this auto strategy and change your life. Don't let anyone discourage you. It is actually possible to grow a small account as long as you have the skill and a powerful strategy. Anything is possible. This is Mobile Forex. Bye for now.